D is for dancing dragon, a China alphabet. A is for Chinese acrobats, performing with beauty and grace. We clap and admire their physical strength as they land in a very small place. Now I'm going to stop right here, and I notice that the author has chosen to write in rhyme. Listen to the first sentence again. A is for Chinese acrobats, performing with beauty and grace. Now listen to the second sentence. We clap and admire their physical strength as they land in a very small place. What are the rhyming words? Grace, place. Now let's look carefully at the illustration. Based on the rhyme, who do you think the acrobats are? And what is actually happening? Think about it and shout it out loud. Acrobats have to have very good balance, don't they? Have you ever seen one in person? Let's find out more about them. The author has given us information on the sidebar. Chinese acrobats have been performing for more than 2,000 years. They have perfected daring feats as audiences clap and cheer. Rope walking, juggling with both hands and feet, and the human pagoda, which is standing on each other's shoulders in a triangle, are a few of their amazing acts. Running quickly and then soaring through the air, the acrobats seem light as small birds. Caught by one of the other performers, or landing gracefully, they are ready to take flight again. The acrobats' physical strength and stamina are astounding. In the early days, they performed in festivals. Later, Beijing formed a troupe of the most outstanding acrobats from each major city in China. Today, their astonishing skills are known worldwide. Now, a pagoda is a building, and I want to show you a real picture of a pagoda. All right, so we can see the pagoda is a building. The higher it is, the smaller it becomes. What do you think Carol Crane means when she says that the acrobats form a human pagoda? I want you to say it out loud. All right, let's get back to our book and let's see what a human pagoda looks like. So we're going to end right there, but I want to ask some questions. Can you think of any American traditions that are similar to acrobats? Have you ever seen people who can jump and climb gracefully? What similarities can we think about for Chinese traditions and American ones? And do you think other countries might have similar traditions? Why? Okay, great job. We're going to move on to our vocabulary words.